Hi everybody, it's Marcy, and this is going to be a pretty short video, given that, I'll get to that in a minute. Okay, today I'm working on guest checks for my country store journal, and I will be using, obviously, a guest check along with a napkin, and this is the napkin I'm using, and what else? A sticker. So I'll be using this little vellum sticker and metal. And for this one, I will be using eyelets. Now, what you missed, because I forgot to hit the record button, was I went ahead and just used my glue stick and put some napkin down on the guest check. And you missed the entire making of this one. So I made this one first, put my napkin down, used another little vellum sticker, a spool of thread from the country store book, put a little bird on there, and for my metal piece, I actually put a needle, a threaded needle, through the spool. I've got some cardstock on the back of the spool. I've got the needle pushed through to the back, and then I've got cardstock securing the needle. And then I glued down the thread, just wrapped it around and glued that around. So I really kind of like the way that one looks. And then I sewed along the top to attach it to this piece of cardstock just for a little journaling space. It kind of frames the guest check and gives a little extra journaling space. Okay. And you missed all the fun because I kept touching the thread. The thread in the glue would much prefer to stick to your finger than to the paper. Stop touching the thread. Okay. So it was kind of funny. So now for this one, I'm going to put okay, I know the tag. Yeah, okay. Peel off try to get the backing off my sticker. And while I'm doing that, I hope everybody's doing well today. We started out with a beautiful sunny morning and day, and now as it's getting later, it's getting cloudier. Last time I checked, I think we had like a 90% chance of rain for tonight. So but as I'm recording this, it's 4 o'clock and it's cloudy enough that it makes me think the sun is setting. Because if we were still in winter, without, before we went back into daylight savings time, it would have, this is about what it would have looked like. I will get this off. Okay, I keep getting it and then letting it go. Let's just grab it. All right. This is actually my first time using these vellum stickers, or at least in my memory. It's the first time in memory, and I kind of like the way they look. I kind of wish the paper was a hair shade more transparent, but it is vellum. Okay. Is that going to need something else? That one may need a little bird as well. I wasn't going to put a bird on both of them, but I might edit this part out so you don't waste a bunch of time watching me cut. Actually, after all that, I think I like that better. Just scoot that over so that this flower has some prominence. Maybe scoot it up even a little more. Let the napkin do its job. Well, sometimes you just gotta try things and play with them to know what works and what doesn't. Okay. So there's that. Am I too late to do this? Probably. Maybe not. See, I thought I had this all figured out, exactly what I was going to do, and then start going with it and start changing your mind and questioning and all right. Now I'm going to leave well enough alone with that, but just like with the other one, I want to give it this little bit of a cardstock frame. And I want to attach this one with eyelets, excuse me, for my metal element. Put my eyelet there. Grab my crocodile. Punch one and nope. Nope. I didn't have that seated properly or something. There we go. Yeah, that one's going to need a little work. But there we go. Very simply, my 2 guest checks with metal element. I hope you enjoyed this. Be safe, stay healthy, and happy crafting, everyone. Bye-bye.